Hi, Liz here from Pilates with Liz. We're doing the ab series today, and we're going to do the third exercise, which is scissors. We just did double leg stretch, come all the way down, hug the knees in, head and shoulders down on the mat. For scissors, lift your head and shoulders up off the mat, take your arms by the side and take your legs out to a 90 degrees. Left leg at a high diagonal, the right leg and hands are behind the right thigh. As we're pulling in twice, we pull, and switch. Pull, switch. Let's do a little bit slower. And now speed it up. Keep going. You can take your hands up towards your ankles. So pull, switch. Pull, switch. Are you looking into your abs and pulling those abs in and up? And the legs should be sweeping the midline, brushing the midline. Last one on the right. Last one on the left. Hug in and take everything down. Hands underneath knee creases. That was scissors.